we also have this cliff face that we're going to follow, where we will probably lose 20% of Kildare GPs. We increasingly get requests from patients in neighbouring villages in Naas, for example, and unfortunately we can't take them on. We our idea is to provide a service to here to the town of Sallins as well. But when there's not actually a week that goes by that we don't get a request from someone in Naas, perhaps Clane, some of the other towns beyond, they just can't get a GP in their town, and then they look to sort of join us.
So they're full to capacity in the surrounding towns.
That's right, and then so in Kildare as a whole, all our general practitioners are under great pressure as well. We also have this cliff face that we're going to follow, where we will probably lose 20% of Kildare GPs to retirement in the next 5 to 8 years. And again, it's not obvious where replacements are going to come for these GPs. We're also fortunate here in Kildare that we have an out-of-hours service called KDOC, which is where all the 120 GPs in Kildare together take turns at providing cover for patients at weekends and at nights and out of hours. KDOC comes under increasing pressure year on year, and the demand for services goes up and up, and we also have the overflow of patients who can't get a GP then, who use this urgent care facility as their GP, which is fine for an acute one-off episode, for example a chest infection, for example, so that, but to provide long-term family medicine, community care, it's not ideal. I would say out of hours I meet many people who are unregistered with a GP. They've moved down from Dublin, they moved up from Cork or from overseas, and they say we just can't get a doctor here, and that's why we sort of come to out of hours service. Going forward, what I'd like to see as GP is continuing investment in general practice, put the resources in, train more GPs, at least so that we can have a robust general practice that's going to be able to look after our growing population for many years to come.